Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I showed you what I ordered for my first order from Buycycle. I really wanted a pair of wheels for my second bike, a Dura-Ace C40 or C35. This is how I communicated with the seller. It was an offer at 400 euros. I asked for some pictures from him. It was the first order, so I was very careful what I was asking, what I was telling him. I didn't want to risk. I saw some scratches on the wheel, so I gave an offer of 300 euros. The seller accepted. I paid. The seller boxed very carefully the wheels, and he sent it with DHL. This was the package before he sent it, and very soon the package was on my hands. Welcome to the workshop. Now I have to check a bit the wheels, how they are. These are some fake stickers. I don't like it. It's from Temu, AliExpress, I don't know. These are the original stickers of the wheel. Here we see a 9-speed cassette. I will remove this for sure. Okay, the wheel looks nice, no cracks. Here the user maybe crashed the bike, I don't know. I will try to paint this. The tires, I have to remove the tires, 23mm tires. What else? I will check a bit the spokes. So here is the wheel of the Truinstad. Let's see. Yeah, it is straight, but it needs just a bit to fix this. I hope that you can see how it is. Just a bit. I will try now to remove the stickers. Maybe a hair dryer will help. Very nice. the truing start to start truing the wheel. Let's check what is happening. It's not too bad. Just a bit. And don't forget to put just a drop in each nipple, like that, and wipe out a bit the excess oil. I saw that the rim is touching just a bit here, so it's touching at this side, so I have to tighten a bit the spoke from this side. If you can, if you would like to check if this will work, you can put this tension meter tool. You see, now that I stretched a bit this spoke, the rim is moving from that side, so I will tighten a bit this spoke. Okay, and now the rim is not touching anymore. After a few minutes of truing, I think that we're almost perfect. This gap is minor, almost nothing, and here too. So we can continue with the front wheel and we will be fine. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching. And lastly, don't forget to paint a bit the spokes and you will be fine.